We're given this diagram here and asked to prove that C is the midpoint of BD. So here's C and here's BD. To show that C is the midpoint of BD, we can use congruent triangles. First, we can see that this angle is equal to this angle. The angle DCE is equal to the angle ACB. The reason is that they are vertically opposite angles. Now consider the Z shape here with the two parallel lines. That means that this angle is equal to this angle. So angle EDC is equal to angle CBA, and the reason is that they are alternate angles. So that means that the remaining angle in each of the triangles must be the same, because the angle sum for a triangle is 180 degrees. So if two of the angles are the same, it follows that the third angle is also the same. All three angles are the same. The 10 centimeters here goes between the double marked angle and the triple marked angle. And so does the 10 centimeters just here. That means that they're corresponding sides. So ABC and CDE are congruent, and the reason is AAS, two angles and a corresponding side. So ABC and CDE are congruent. Consider CD. It goes between the 1 and 2 marked angles, as does CB. It follows these are corresponding sides, and since the triangles are congruent, these sides are equal in length. The reason is that they're corresponding sides in two congruent triangles. It follows from this that C must be the midpoint of BD.